What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get the Patreon mod for your phone, guys. So with this mod, we can actually view anything on Patreon for free. So as you can see, guys, we got this post right here and it is locked. It says this post is locked, become a member. So we have to pay with credit card or PayPal, but since we're in the Patreon mod, we have an option to unlock for free with dev mode. So I'm activating the dev mode and then we should have it. So as you can see, it says dev mode activated, your Patreon dev mode full status, bro. So as you can see, we can see the entire Patreon post. This is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. This works with any Patreon post of any profile. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's get straight into the video. So first things first, guys, we need to download it, right? So go to, I believe, tweakmod.com and just type in Patreon. Actually, I believe it is actually zoomods.com. Sorry about that, but just type in Patreon and you should see the Patreon mod right here. So just go ahead and press on it and it is going to start downloading. So there is going to be a little additional step at the end. It's a little verification we have to do. Basically, we just have to download like 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're completely free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So as you can see, it is downloading right now. So we're just going to give it a second to go ahead and finish. And then it is going to bring us over here and it says missing files, additional files are required. So basically what we got to do is download 2 of these apps, complete the instructions. So you can see TikTok says down install, use 3 days. Misplay says down install, play 4 games for 5 minutes. So you would just like pick some of them and then it will bring you the store and you just got to download it and do what it says. Now, these are the ones that show up for me. You're probably going to see some different apps, but there is a video to watch if you're confused. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's how to view all Patreons for free. So I literally got access to this. I don't even know how much this costs, bro, but it is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get the Patreon mod for your device. So yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So yeah, I mean, as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing. Thanks for supporting our platform. So it's pretty easy to do. There is the video, of course, you can watch, but you can see like download and use for 3 days. That's easy. Install, make a 30-second call. Download and install, play 4 games for 5 minutes. So it's pretty simple to do, guys, but I hope you enjoyed the video and were able to view all Patreon profiles for free using this mod, guys. It's so insane. It actually works, bro. Like, I'm viewing the Patreon. I'm not banned. You will not get banned for doing this as far as I know. But I'm going to see you in another video. So, yeah, peace out, bro.